So this little wristlet, the star wristlet, is really cute and adorable. It's in a fabulous deep purple with this gorgeous glittery finish. And of course that fantastic star on the front. So it's Anya Hinmarch. It comes with a few things. It comes with the box, the Anya box. Actually attached to it, it has one of those, you know those tags that you can only return it if it has the tag attached. Now obviously this no longer applies, but I've kept it attached anyway. It's also got the quality control document. It's got the product tag, crinkle leather in plum. And it's got two care documents. One is the little card, and then one is the little card that sits inside it. So it's got this, which is detachable. So you can take it from wristlet to taking it off and make it just a purse or a clutch bag. Obviously the star on the front with the little bow. Zip top closure. I'm going to show you on the zip pull. I don't know if you're able to see, but excuse me. Little tiny Anya bow on the front. It's so cute. And the little sort of tasseled zip pull. Inside it's just the one section. We've got Anya tag there, and you can see that it's lined in the Anya bow fabric. So condition is excellent throughout. Excellent exterior, excellent interior, excellent hardware. Let's move that out of the way. A beautiful little number, and with the fact it's got the glitter on that star on it, it's just stunning. So this is available on our website. In my comments below the video, I've put a link to the website. You'll be able to see this and our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets. When you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter, and we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. Really easy to do. You just scroll to the bottom of any page and there's a box, you put your email address in. We immediately send you an email that you need to verify, and then we'll immediately send you your discount code. If either of those don't come through to your inbox, check your spam. It usually means that your security is too high for us to break through. So check your spam if it's not in your inbox. And then add us to your address book, because if we send you discount codes in the future that you're not expecting, you won't know to check your spam. So add us to your address book, and then the discounts and things will come into your inbox. Also in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you're on Instagram, please come and follow us on Instagram. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now, set up your alerts. We have Armcandy coming in every single day. So check us out on the website and sign up to the newsletter. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to this channel.